Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn BJJ alone. To begin, focus on understanding the core principles of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, such as leverage and body mechanics. These foundational concepts are crucial for effective solo training. Next, dedicate time to solo drills, which are essential for developing muscle memory and improving your coordination. Finally, leverage the vast array of online resources available to study detailed technique breakdowns and instructional content. Now, let's dive into some essential solo drills. Start by consistently practicing hip escapes and shrimping, which are vital for improving your mobility and maintaining good positioning. Next, incorporate bridging and rolling drills. These are fundamental for developing effective escape and sweep mechanics. Finally, shadow drill various submissions and guard passes. This helps you refine your movements and build a strong mental library of techniques, even without a partner. To maximize your solo learning, it's crucial to leverage available resources wisely. Seek out and follow structured online curricula provided by reputable BJJ instructors. These programs offer a clear progression path. Additionally, consider recording your solo training sessions. Reviewing these recordings allows for valuable self-analysis and helps identify areas for improvement. Remember to supplement your physical practice with theoretical study of BJJ strategy and concepts. Finally, cultivating the right mindset is key for sustained solo progress. Maintain unwavering consistency in your solo training schedule. Regular practice yields the best results. Actively visualize techniques and various BJJ scenarios to enhance your mental preparation and understanding. Most importantly, always prioritize perfect repetition over speed. Ingraining correct movements through precise practice will build a solid foundation for your Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.